Welcome back. I have already explained how to balance equation from two different viewpoints in my actual teaching video. Now this is practice. Now I've given four equations where you have to come up with the formulae and then two where I have given the formulae. Just for good measure, I'm going to still pick one equation where I have given you the name. I'm going to try to solve it for you. All right. So use these as practice, and if you have problems, because I think I have carefully chosen equations or problems here that could cause you an issue, so which also provides you the opportunity to learn. So let me pick one out of these four and solve. Okay, so let me pick this one. Okay, so manganese 2 oxide, which is, well, I'm going to solve the formulas here because I need space to actually balance it out here. So manganese is Mn, okay? And the 2 goes with the manganese, and manganese is a metal, so it's plus. Oxide is coming from oxygen. Oxygen is 6 Roman numeral, which means 8 minus 6 is 2, and oxygen is a nonmetal. Because it's 2 plus and 2 minus, we just cancel it out and write it. So it's manganese MnO, right? Plus sodium is in group 1A, it's a metal, so it's 1 and it's plus. Sulfate is SO4, 2 minus, I put this in bracket, so they're not the same, so we swap and bring the 2 here, so Na2SO4. Right? Don't put the 2 here. I see people still leave the 2 here. The 2 is already moved here, so there's no longer any 2 left here. All right, so it's Na2SO4. Let's put this in bracket. And then again, manganese 2 sulfate. Manganese is 2 and it's plus. Sulfate is SO4, 2 minus, put this in brackets. Because there are 2 plus and 2 minus, we just write it as it is. That's manganese sulfate. Plus, sodium is 1 and it's plus. Oxide is 6, so 8 minus 2. So swap. So it's Na2O, right? Now let's balance. So we have 1 Mn, right? 2 Na, 1 S, 4 plus 1, 5 oxygen, right? That's what's on this side. Here we have 1 Mn, 1 sulfur, 5 oxygen total, and 2 sodiums. Well, everything looks the same. This is what is called a self-balanced equation. Means when you try to balance, everything looks already balanced. So it's 1, 1, 1, and 1. All right, there you go. I solved one problem for you, and I've solved 6 other problems so far. So use that as a knowledge, and using the tables I've provided with the formulas of ions and so on, you can try to solve the remaining 3 problems plus the 2 problems on the top. So it's 5 problems for you to practice. All right, and that is balancing chemical equations. I don't want to say any more or any less because that's all there is to it. Next time I'll see you with a concept that's an extension of this concept. All right, so stay tuned.